Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into the English language with a very interesting word. Our word for today is battlefield, a C1 level noun meaning a place of combat. So, what exactly is a battlefield? Well, it's an area where a battle or a fight takes place, often a military engagement, but it can also be used metaphorically. It's the ground where opposing forces meet. A good way to think about it is the physical location of a struggle. Now, let's explore some synonyms for battlefield. We could say combat zone, for instance. The soldiers were deployed to the combat zone early in the morning. Or we might use theater of war, such as, the documentary showed disturbing images from the theater of war. Or, how about fighting ground? Like, the valley became a fighting ground for the two armies. Okay, that's some great synonymous vocabulary. Now, let's check out the opposite end of the spectrum. What are some antonyms of battlefield? A place of peace would be a good opposite, like, after the war, the region became a sanctuary of peace. Or, what about a haven? As in, the small village offered a haven from the fighting. Or a retreat, such as the monastery served as a retreat for the wounded. So you see, we can describe places of calmness and protection as the opposite of a battlefield. How about we think about using battlefield in everyday life? You might hear someone say, the negotiating table became a battlefield for the two companies. That means it was a difficult negotiation. Or, her kitchen is a battlefield after she bakes cakes. This suggests a mess. Or you might say the debate turned into a battlefield of opposing viewpoints. So while its primary meaning is literal, it also has this metaphorical usage to indicate areas of conflict. I have several example sentences now for you. The battlefield was littered with debris. Or, the general surveyed the battlefield from the hill. How about, he treated the board game as if it was a real battlefield. And the internet became a battlefield of conflicting opinions. And so we have covered a lot about our word, battlefield. Remember, it's a C1 level noun that describes a place of combat, whether literal or metaphorical. We looked at synonyms like combat zone, theater of war, and fighting ground, and then contrasted this with antonyms like peace, haven, and retreat. And of course, we saw how it can be used in everyday language. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. If you enjoy learning about new words like this, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. And don't forget to create your own sentence using battlefield and share it in the comments below the video. Until next time, happy learning!